Okay, a lot of folks have had enough of this bad weather, but frankly, snow, you're one of them.
Yeah.
Snow is the least of all the bad things that weather can do. George Bauman says snow can be wonderful. It's a matter of attitude.
Yep, snow again, but it's winter. What you ought to do is forget about the white-knuckle driving and worries about the grocery store and appreciate the beauty of it all. Only nature could paint a picture as beautiful as that. What you want to do is take a walk in the park and drink in all of this beauty. And if Gene Kelly can sing in the rain, you can sing in the snow. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the snow is so delightful. And if you can't sing like me, what's the difference? There's nobody to hear you. Spring training. And while you're in the park, stop by and see the polar bears. Oh, this is their kind of weather. Look at them. Snow, they love it. There are some things to like about every season. Nice things. And remember this, before you know it, it'll be spring. Honest. George Bauman, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
As only George can do it.
That's exactly right.
Yeah, incidentally, admission to the zoo was free today, but George didn't see anybody there except the animals and their keepers.
Now, I'm going to tell you, Diane from Annapolis called me. A whole flock of bluebirds in her tree today.
Really?
And at my bird feeder, we had many, many red-winged blackbirds. So there's another positive.
That's a good thing.
They come where the food is and where the warmth is, and you get to see them. That's a good thing. Still ahead, Bob's Sunshine School with a very timely question from a young Parkton student. If you live in the Hereford zone, it's one you don't want to miss.